In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the apps, go to the settings then, and click on developer options. Then find and select automatic system updates and smoothly mark the switcher. As you can see, now it is active, so once the indicator is fulfilled with color, it means that automatic system updates feature is turned on. Obviously, you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on this indicator, but I will leave it active, and from now on updates will be applied automatically once the device restarts. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.